So you've heard about trading affirmations, you tried it, you stood in the mirror in your toilet, and you repeated to yourself, I'm a disciplined trader, I'm calm, I'm profitable. And then your body just said, no, you're not. Your mind just said, that's a lie. That's bullshit. That stuff doesn't work. It didn't believe it. And so the whole time you were trying your affirmations, you tried it for a few days or a week, that whole time you felt like you were lying to yourself, like it wasn't working. And of course, that's what happened. And then there you are, just filing this affirmations away as another thing that you tried and failed at. It didn't work. And then you start to think that maybe you're the unlucky one. It doesn't work on you. Nothing works on you. Because you look around at everybody else and they're all talking about trading affirmations and doing the inner work and the psychology and how important it is, and it's worked so well for them, but it didn't work for you. So you think that you're broken, that you're the problem. Maybe you were wired wrong. You're not made for this. Maybe you were built differently and nothing ever works on you like everything else. And that is the biggest lie, the most expensive lie that you can tell yourself. It'll cost you everything. Because you didn't just figure that affirmations don't work. That wasn't your conclusion. You actually decided that nothing works for you. And that is costly. That's dangerous for you. But this whole time, you were doing affirmations backwards. You were doing it wrong. You were trying to program yourself with affirmations in the wrong state, in the wrong body state. And you didn't know. You see, maybe you were doing your affirmations while you were trading. Maybe you were trading and you took a loss. You had a loss and you're there trying to tell yourself that I'm a calm trader, I'm disciplined. And then you couldn't help it because your mind and your body is already looking for the next revenge trade. And that's why it didn't work. That's why that affirmation didn't stick. You're trying to tell yourself that you're profitable. I'm a profitable trader. I'm a consistent trader. And you're looking at your P&L and it's red. And your heart is beating. Your chest is tight. You can't breathe. You're in a panic state and you're trying to tell yourself all of these things in the wrong state. So no wonder it doesn't work. Because your body or your nervous system is in survival mode. It's trying to just stay safe and it's just trying to survive. It's trying to keep you out of danger. And you're there trying to tell it to stay calm. Does that make sense? You're there trying to tell your nervous system and your mindset to be disciplined, to be profitable. You're telling it all these things, and the body can't hear it. It can't hear your affirmation. It doesn't want to listen. It rejects it. You see? Because you're in survival state. You can't whisper something to somebody that is running away from a fire. they're not going to hear you. So your body and your nervous system is on fire. Basically, it's panicking and you're trying to calm it down. It just doesn't want to listen. You see, you have two sides of your brain. One side is fast, chaotic, emotional, right? That's where your nervous system is. And then the other side of the brain is slow, calm, rational, logical. That's where your affirmations live. Your affirmations are on that part of your brain. They're stored there. The problem is that the fast part of your brain, your nervous system, wins all the time. It's the one in control. It's designed that way. Your nervous system or your monkey brain, your amygdala is designed to react before you have time to think. The body reacts before you have time to think. Does that make sense? And your thinking is your affirmations on the other side of the brain. So it can't catch up. There's a huge gap between those two. And of course, the nervous system side, the reaction always has to win by design, because its pure job is to just get you out of danger. You see, you can't think your way out of a body reaction. And that's what you've been trying to do. You've been trying your affirmations while your body has been having a reaction. That's why they didn't work. Those affirmations were rejected as a lie. You're telling yourself that you're a profitable trader or you're a disciplined trader, and your body says, no, you're not. That's a lie, and I don't want to hear it. And that is the trap that you're stuck in. You're trying to tell your body something through your mind. You're trying to think your way out of a body reaction, you see? And as long as the body is in survival state, all it wants to do is to feel safe. Nothing you say to it will work. It's going to just disregard everything you try to tell it and do its best to get out of danger, get back to safety, get back to what it knows. And in this case, the only thing the body knows to do when it's in survival in trading is to revenge trade, because it's seeking relief. So when you revenge trade, you feel like you're in control. Or it's to close your trades early, because it doesn't like feeling uncertain. It wants that relief. It'll make you take more trades because it feels like it's productive. You see, that is your body reacting. That's why you do things in trading and you don't know why you do it. You can't stick to your plan. You break your rules because you're having a body reaction. No matter what you say to it, won't stick. No affirmations work at that point. Your identity shift never happens. This whole time, you've been searching for discipline, and all you ever got was fear response, more panic, more limiting beliefs. This is what you were met with. So when the body is in reaction mode, and you're panicking, and your heart is beating, and your chest is tight, and you're sweating, and you're checking the charts, and you're over trading, you're doing all that, whatever you try to tell it, it won't listen. It can't hear you. No affirmations will stick. So this is what you got to do if you want this affirmations to work for your trading. because this whole time you've been doing it backwards. You have to change your approach. You need to change the way you apply affirmations to your trading. Forget the old way. The new way is you need to regulate your nervous system first so that your body does feel safe, so you are calm. Because when you're regulated and calm, that's when the affirmations work. Because that's when the analytical thinking brain or your monkey brain switches off. That's your conscious brain. Your conscious mind is the gatekeeper to your subconscious mind. Remember, your affirmations, you're trying to use that to reprogram your subconscious mind. And because your conscious mind is awake and alert and in survival mode, it rejects it. It won't let it through. So you have to calm it down first. That's how you do it. You need to regulate first. You have to switch off the gatekeeper. Because once you stop the conscious mind from being too analytical and saying, no, you're not, that's a lie, that's bullshit, I can't, that's none of that works. Once you can get rid of that, that's when your new identity shift happens, when you can really program yourself, you see, with the affirmations. That's when your subconscious mind is open and receptive to new suggestions. So there is a time and place to do it. There is a right time and place and order to apply affirmations for it to work. Otherwise, it doesn't work. You see, you can now say the same words, I'm disciplined, I'm calm, I'm profitable. You can now say that in a different state, in a different body state, not in survival. And now when you say it, you will have a different result. It will actually stick. You see, you have to regulate first. This whole time, you've been trying to program yourself whilst in survival. That's not the way to do it. You have to regulate yourself first. This is the key. This is the secret. Regulate yourself first so that it drops its defense mechanisms, and then you can program yourself, you see. You were never broken like you thought you were. You were just doing it wrong, you see. And so affirmations absolutely do work. You just have to know how to apply them. That's it. How to apply them, how to regulate yourself, and when to apply them, and the right techniques. That's what you need for it to work. Once you can do the affirmations and they stick, that is how you shift your identity. And once you shift your identity, you can collapse the process, the timeline, and everything starts to happen faster. There's no resistance. You cleared the resistance. That's what you need to do. So if you want the full protocol to all of this and you want to go deep, check out the first link in the description. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, drop your comments below. Let me know what you're struggling with. Let me know if you've tried affirmations. I want to see you win. I'm here for you. I'm in your corner. Okay? So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.